Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ari Shah, and today we're going to be talking about a few things in the market. We're going to be talking about what's going on with crypto. We're going to check the Ethereum price. You can see that we had a slight dip back here just a few days ago. February 24th, we went all the way down to 23.36, and that was because of what's going on with Ukraine and Russia. And I know everyone is scared right now. There's extreme fear in the market. However, during times of war, we do seem to always have an uptick. So like there is this initial drop, and who knows, it could get worse because there is something going on, and we all know who's in charge of Russia. And it's not the Russian people, it's not the Ukrainian people that are the problem. The Russians are protesting against this, but you can clearly see that we had a initial dip and now a rise. Traditionally, you'll see assets such as gold and oil do very, very well. However, that does not mean that gold or oil will get cheaper. The prices go up, so it'll cost more for us as consumers. However, I do invest in oil and gold. Those are my hedges against my crypto portfolio. This is not financial advice, but Bitcoin is viewed in the same light as digital gold, and Ethereum almost as silver, internet money. Silver is for manufacturing. Ethereum is very similar in that fashion. So we can see that the president of Ukraine stands up to talking about, come defend us, come be our ally. And this has caused a lot of fear. We know that war is not the same as it used to be. And now there's a lot of nuclear decisions that can be made. We want to talk about today a lot of the NFT collections, what's going on. You guys can always check out Dune Analytics. You guys will see we've had a slight downturn in volume. However, that's nothing to worry about, in my opinion. That I believe collectibles will do well throughout these types of conditions. So we do see that Threelanders has done amazing. A 33-year-old artist with a wife who is 33, where their child is 3 years old. There's also Three World. You guys can check out that NFT collection, but Threelanders has done exceptionally well, skyrocketing past to Ethereum. The most hyped project to date in the NFT ecosystem is by far the Invisible Friends, and you can see they're sitting at an 8.7 Ethereum price. It was closer to 11, and then all this political news came out, and you can see they're at an 8.7 floor. They have not revealed yet, so you could see an even more decrease in their price. Don't be surprised if Invisible Friends goes down to 5 ETH, and we'll see. The last time we had a super hyped, the most hyped NFT project, that was Mechaverse. And Mechaverse went all the way from 1 Ethereum to 10 Ethereum, back down to 1 Ethereum. Definitely something to look at, because that project is working hard. It's not about how you started or in between, but it's about how you finish. And it's all about having that continuous team that brings value. A huge trend in the space has been these, MFers, and there's even invisible MFers, there's X MFers, but these have done exceptionally well. And that just goes to show what the NFT ecosystem is all about. They love investing in things that are stupid and that resonate with them. One to look out for, which the floor price has absolutely skyrocketed. One of my good friends, Greg, he works at Mr. Nice Guy's DC cannabis store. He owns one of these NFT worlds, but essentially NFT worlds is built on Minecraft, an open platform, an open source platform owned by Xbox, so owned by Microsoft. They are in talks with Microsoft. They haven't done anything official by getting permission to use their licenses, but I could see NFT worlds in the future getting acquired by Microsoft. This is not financial advice, all speculation based off what I'm seeing in the market. Izuki, has toned down after I think it touched 20 Ethereum price. And we also see that with another, well, one, we're seeing a lot of cool down. You know, we can see a 70% drop right here for the crypto punks. You can even see the Bored Apes start at 89 floor price, but they were above 100 ETH floor price, came all the way back to 75 ETH, and now back at 89. I really did believe a 75 Ethereum Bored Ape was a steal, but you know, congratulations to anyone who can play with that type of money. And we can see Artifact Monolith. This is an airdrop that people received for holding a Clone X, which you can see, of course, is right here. Takashi Murakami, I believe. He is the artist, and Clone X is owned by Artifact, and Artifact has been acquired by Nike. So this is a free 15 to 20 G's airdrop for anyone who owned the Clone X. And if you guys have been watching this channel, you know, we talked about the day after it got acquired, it went from like 2-ish ETH to 5 ETH. It was around 3 to 4 Ethereum for a while. And now you can see the huge gains, a 10 Ethereum increase, plus another free 6 Ethereum right here in the airdrop. So to everyone who got into Clone X, congratulations. This is the power of NFTs and the power of building a brand. You know, Bored Ape has Adidas, so that makes them a powerhouse. Clone X is owned by Nike. That makes them a powerhouse. I think the fact that Nike went out of its way to literally purchase an entire NFT company collection really means a lot. So these are a few projects to look at that are the top projects in the last 7 days. You all know I'm very bullish on the creeps. We just verified our creeps on Discord. We also did a mural, and you can see the price of creeps is going right back up. The price of Lumi is mattering less, as now the paper hands are gone and they're making big announcements. And people are speculating Coinbase. Some people are speculating a fashion brand such as Adidas. Maybe it's Puma, maybe it's Nike, who knows? It says a partnership that very few have. So if you guys check out their Discord, you'll be able to check it out. But I'm very bullish on creeps in the long term. Let's see where they can go. We've been spinning this mystery box. We have all 3 shards for the interdimensional portal, so they will be releasing that soon. I can't wait to pick up my interdimensional creeps, which will steal Lumi. I also have my mega shapeshifters, and I have 2 creeps generating me passive income as well as their armories. But you guys can see here, Invisible Friends has not released yet. We are at a 8.7 floor. And you guys can see this is one of the most hyped projects of all time. We're over 500,000 followers. And if you guys aren't following me yet on my Twitter, definitely go ahead and follow me at Ari Shabazi. I go by Ari Shah on YouTube. My full name is Aryan Shabazi. If you guys ever have any questions, please feel free to DM me. I'm more than happy to answer. I do my best that I possibly can. I see 2 creeps here and they both follow me. So creep, follow creep. But yeah, guys, there's a lot that's been going on with our own collection. The Wolfverse, we have rebranded to the Wolfverse. We have the Wall Street Wolves and the Wall Street Wolfettes under the Wolfverse. But long story short, Jordan Belfort's lawyer gave us a cease and desist letter, and that must mean we're doing something great. But we have introduced the Wolfverse. This is still our Wall Street Wolves and our Wolfette, but now we have created an entire ecosystem that is known as the Wolfverse. And this will be an NFT collection dedicated to educating and sharing alpha on the path to financial independence. You guys can see we've been hosting masterclasses, many questions. We've actually completed our 4th day and we'll be having a 5th day masterclass on Monday. That is for all Wolfette holders. But we just continue to work on our collection. Our artist is one of the best in the game. You guys can see we just finished our mural at Stone Hot Pizza in Alexandria, Virginia. This is our team in Tulum pre-launch, all just, you know, working together, bringing the community Wolfverse closer together, and, you know, just doing our best to build our team, our community to the best of our ability. This is our artist, Becca. She's an absolute beast. And this is Wolfie's Closet for exclusive merch. So definitely follow us on Instagram. Check us out. Check us out on Twitter. And there's a lot to do in the space, and a lot of the wealth can really be made during bearish times. So it's really funny how everybody was so scared talking about uh, getting out of the market, but buying back into your position is the hardest thing, especially for people who have been in Ethereum sub 1,000. When you sell and then you're trying to come back in, like, it's impossible to time the bottom and it's impossible to time the top. So I always recommend dollar cost averaging as you go. That is proven to be the best strategy. And if you're going to day trade, like I feel comfortable day trading now, just because I've made my mistakes. I've seen the ups and downs. I see the volatility. When I look at the price, I understand if it's overvalued or undervalued, and I understand how the technology works. But that does not mean I can predict day over day if it's going to go up or if it's going to go down. This is a combination of trends, graphs, and news. So you have to look into all of the above. But this was a great breakdown. I think we talked about some of the best collections. It's great to see that the NFT world is still at the beginning. We see Snoop Dogg's, the doggies here under 1 Ethereum. If you're a big Snoop Dogg fan, definitely check that out. I have not looked into this project too far, but we all love Snoop Dogg. We all know he has a big plot in Sandbox, and we know he's here to stay in the NFT space, and he just made Death Row an NFT label. So that is just one of many things to be bullish on as we scale, as we move to the metaverse. And hopefully this issue in Ukraine and Russia resolves itself, because it seems like we have come too much as a society, come too far as a community to really have conflict like this, where it can just, the people who suffer are the people who are the everyday citizens. Those are the people who suffer. So my best wishes to the people of Ukraine, to the people protesting in Russia. It's great to see that humanity is still together, even though maybe the world's fate is in the hands of a few. So just keep coming together, do the things you love, live your life out of passion, spend time with your loved ones. And if you haven't liked this if you haven't liked this video, then like this video. If you gained some value today, click that bell button. But as always, guys, thank you for sharing your time with me. Nothing's more valuable than your time. So I'll see you next time on the next episode.